Next vaccine is the Sputnik vaccine. Okay, Sputnik vaccine is comes under group of viral vector based vaccine. Okay, it comes under the group of vector based vaccine. Okay, under the heading of the vector based vaccine, three vaccines are included. One is this Covishield vaccine, the second is the Sputnik, and third is the Janssen vaccine, Johnson and Johnson vaccine. Okay, now what is the difference between the Covishield vaccine and the Sputnik vaccine? Because both are the vector based vaccine. So let's learn about the mechanism. Okay, the mechanism of the Covishield vaccine is they are using the spike protein. This is the spike protein of the COVID virus or coronavirus. Okay, which are engineered with the, this is the adenovirus. This is the adenovirus and with the genome. Okay, the genome of the spike protein, COVID virus is engineered with the adenovirus. This is the vector. Okay, now what we are doing, we are doing the engineering of the, this is the adenovirus with the genome. Okay, but we are taking only spike protein genome from the COVID virus, not the entire virus. Okay, this is the genome of the spike protein from the COVID virus. Okay, this is the mechanism of the vector based vaccine or the Covishield vaccine. Now what is the difference in the Sputnik vaccine? Now the main difference is, this is the COVID virus. We are taking only spike protein. This remains the same in the Sputnik vaccine. This part remains the same because we are taking the same only spike protein genome. But the main difference is here. This is the adenovirus. Okay, this is the adenovirus. In case of Covishield vaccine, we are using the same adenovirus. For the first and second dose. We are using the same virus, vector adenovirus. Okay, but in case of Sputnik vaccine, in case of Sputnik vaccine, we are using the different adenovirus for the first and second. Suppose these remain same. The COVID virus with the spike protein remains the same, but the adenovirus for the first dose and adenovirus for the second dose are the different. Okay, now let's see the theory. Okay, one second. Okay, adenovirus is used as a vector. Okay, same adenovirus we are using the as the Covishield vaccine, but the difference from the Covishield is that in the Sputnik vaccine we are using the different adenovirus. Is used for the both the doses of vaccine. We are using the different adenovirus. We are using different adenovirus for the both the doses of Sputnik vaccine. Okay, rest mechanism is same. Okay, for the first dose we are using the adenovirus, vector adenovirus is known as the ADS26. Okay, and for the second dose we are using the adenovirus is known as the ADS5. Okay, this part remains the same. During the both the dose of the vaccine. The spike protein with the spike protein genome of the COVID virus remains same during the first and second dose of Sputnik vaccine, and the Covishield vaccine remains the same, but the difference comes here. We are using the different vector. The adenovirus is the same, but we are using the different variant of the adenovirus. For the first dose we are using the adenovirus is ADS26, and for second dose we are using the adenovirus is ADS5. Okay, now the question is what is the difference, what is the advantage of the Sputnik vaccine against the Covishield vaccine? Okay, so let's learn. The advantage is there is no unnecessary immune response against the adenovirus because both the doses are having the different adenovirus, so no memory of the previous dose. The person taking the vaccine having a memory of only spike protein genome of the COVID virus or the coronavirus, but The adenovirus is different, so there is no memory of the previous adenovirus immunity. So this is the best advantage. Okay, no unnecessary immune response against the adenovirus because we are using the different adenovirus. Only memory of spike protein vector is remain the same during the both the dose. So immunity against the COVID spike protein is boost up, but not against the adenovirus vector. Okay, the main difference is we are using the different adenovirus vector for the first and second dose of the Sputnik vaccine. Okay, okay. Now the one good advantage is there is a least chance of thrombotic side effect. The best advantage of the Sputnik vaccine is there is a least chance of thrombotic side effect, because after taking a Covishield or Covaxin, certain people also having a risk of thrombosis. The person who are the high risk for the thrombosis for like ischemic heart disease or thrombotic CV stroke, cerebrovascular. Now, what is the dose, site, route? Okay. The dose is same 0.5 ml. Site is also same deltoid muscle. The route is same. The interval is 2 dose, but it given as a 4 week apart, not 4 to 12 week apart. It is a 4 week apart because it is a Russian based vaccine and it is decided by the study trials done in the Russia. Okay. The efficacy is excellent, 95%. The storage and transport is remain the same, 2 to 8 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, proper cold chain should be maintained during the transport. This is the same as the other vaccine. Once the vial is open, it should be used within a 6 hours. Okay, once the vial is open, it should be used within a 6 hours.